Hi, I'm Todd Finnerty, and this is your Membership Minute for July 10th. Hey, all manufacturers and distributors, time to start making plans for your annual trip out to the desert. Yes, it's that time of year already. Registration is now open for the 79th Annual AWDA Business Conference, and all companies must register by August 21st. So what are you waiting for? Just go register now and check it off your to-do list. Have you ever found yourself walking by the Auto Care Association booth of the AAPEX show and said, wow, look at all these awesome products in their display cases. How do these products get there? Well, I'm glad you asked, because the Import Product and Marketing Awards program is now accepting submissions. We invite companies to elevate their brands and showcase innovations celebrating excellence in the import, aftermarket, through cutting-edge products and standout marketing initiatives. And for some of you, school is not out this summer. Our manufacturers reps, Yang and ACPN communities have announced their Leadership 2.0 scholarship winners. Congratulations to Troy, Lisa, and Laura. We can't wait to see you on campus at the University of the Aftermarket this summer. Until next time, this was your Membership Minute.